You are... What up, Biscuits? It's your boy, Biscuit Benny, back at it again on the CBR1000RR. We're riding out to meet up with old Naked Nate, do a little group ride. I think we're gonna have to dodge some rain. It's actually supposed to rain real hard here in just a second. It'll probably be gone as quickly as it comes, so I may have to camp out in his garage for a sec, but there could be worse things. There could definitely always be worse things, like the last couple of weeks when it's just been raining the entire time. On the plus side, everything's looking really green, and spring really is finally here. What's up? Wait, I got you. Naked Nate and Biscuit Benny going out for a ride. Storm runners. All these people are going to have to be inside soon. Rain gear's for people who plan ahead, I guess. I don't want to be a part of that storm. That looks bad. Yeah, boop. Just go on in and get it. Dude, this bike is stupid fast. It's stupid. It is stupid fast. Nobody needs this. It's like, it's coming. Look at that storm over there. Well, that's the thing. If we drive like 20 miles out of the way, maybe it will be sunny, you know? No, this is just first gear power wheelies. Just trying to get away from that storm. Look, there's like openings in the sky over there. Oh, wow, okay, that's not so bad. Well, maybe we should stop somewhere, a gas station or something, take a quick peek at the radar. Right. Oh, sorry. Well, let's take a peek-see at this radar. Oh, sure enough, that's pretty much... Oh, no. It's still gonna smack us. Us too? Oh, gosh, what the... Florida barbecue. Wow, that is a lot of rain. Dude, it's like green over there. That's how you know. When you see green clouds. I just don't want to get like hail on my skull. Oh, no passing. It's okay, I'm in my ready gear, if you know what I mean. Wow, okay, I think that was like 155. Dude, seriously, this thing is just stupidly fast. I'm gonna just stop here real quick and just look at the radar just to make sure Franklin is actually in the clear. Let's just take a quick look-see. Dude, yeah, we gotta go to Columbus, like right now. Well, take us to Columbus. Well, we better go now, because that storm is rolling in, dude. Will they make it, or will we get pounded by rain? Well, we've done about 50 miles so far. That's not horrible. Maybe we'll burn a tank of gas. I always say a good ride is about 1 tank of gas. You know what I mean? Couple stops. Here we go. Buckle up. That's so funny that the storm's like chasing us south. Dude, looks like tornado weather. Please tell me we're turning left. Okay. Like, it's funny, we have like a legitimate objective, and it's just to not get pummeled with rain. I mean, this is probably more exciting than what we would have come up with on our own. Seriously. I'll edit in some lightning or something. That'd be funny. I don't think this is supposed to be a lake. Right, we got pushed so far south that it's actually going to be a 3-hour ride back, so... What up, Naked Nate? What up? We might have to go a little farther south, though. Let's do that. What? Oh, look. Oh. Look at this interesting thing. We don't need to go to Columbus.
No.
And in fact, if we had gone to Columbus, we would have gotten a little wet. See, look. I cannot believe we've managed to stay dry this whole time.
The other thing is we could just take our way towards Bloomington. We could go to Columbus and then pull over to Nashville, D-Blossom, and then just head north and come back home. That should leave enough time for that last one to get through, and then we can just head home.
Yeah, we could do that.
Let's just go to Nashville.
Columbus, Nashville, and then north. We are going to get home late. All right, well, off we go. Oh my gosh. Go. The old double pass. Dude, this is like one of my favorite counties in all of Indiana. Look, there's the limestone, a couple of hills here and there. What more could you want? Hoosier National Forest. Oh, what the okay, let's just get around, dude. I'm not dealing with this. I don't know. Here we are. Yeah, that was a nice shortcut. There's just a Jeep. Well, we're here in Little Nashville once again, Biscuits. It's like a 2-year, reunion or anniversary of sorts. Well, this is Nashville, everyone. Biscuits, y'all, check this. It's so nice. Here we are, in the middle of Corona season. Well, Biscuits, we're saddling back up, and we avoided most of the rain, but you can tell we hit some rain. But we're racing to get out of here. All right, which way are we going, boss? I think we're going the wrong way, dude. Yeah, I think we gotta go south. We gotta go. Stop! Turn around, bro. We're going the wrong way.
Oh, where do you want to stop?
Just turn around. Come over here, bro.
Where did you go?
Where are you, dude? You are.
After studying the footage extensively, it appears that Nate has dropped his bike.
Hey, what the Here, you grab the back. No, everything's good. You just got a little dirt on there. This mirror is toast here. Wait, how did that just happen, dude? But you know what? Your front tire probably came out from under you, I bet. But look, all your turn signals are good. The only thing, you got a little mud on your... That's okay. Dude, again, perfect, right? That's what the frame slider's for. Well, what the hell just happened?
I don't know.
How did we just... Dude, where did this just come from? Oh, God! It's so much water! Dude, we are total clowns. This is clown right now. Well, this is a lot of rain. You know, honestly, if we had rain gear, this would be kind of not so bad, right?
So anyway, after that, water got in the microphone port of my camera and I lost all the audio. So here's a couple of clips of us coming home from this crazy storm running trip. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to drop me a like, subscribe, share with your friends, whatever, it helps. Thanks for watching, and until next time, peace!